Sometimes it can get rough when you've had enough. I'll be your Don Corleone when you're feeling down, feeling low.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maryam, and in today's video I'm filming a day in my life. I'm really excited to film this video because I feel like I haven't filmed a day in my life in a very long time, and now that I'm in Waterloo, I thought that I would take you guys along with me. Today is July 16th and it's not a very busy day. I have a couple of assignments to start working on, and I also have to submit an English reflection, but besides that I have to do a lot of catching up on my CS courses, so I'll be going through a lot of lectures. Also want to go to the bank today to open up a account because I will be working at that bank in the fall, so I have to make a bank account. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and follow along with me.
You'll never be alone, not when you're right here with me. Oh, I won't see no you and me. Every time the things get bad, promise I won't turn my back.
It's currently 10:30 and I'm gonna go to the bank now to make an account because I'll be working for this bank in the fall, so I have to make an account with them. So I'm gonna go and do that. Alright, so this is a fit. This is a hackathon shirt, so I'm wearing that with these shorts from Amazon, and then I got my shoes and a mask. We can't forget about that. But yeah, let's go to the bank.
Sometimes that we fight, at least we're sitting side by side.
So now it's 11:30 and I just came back from the bank and I booked my appointment for 2:30, so I'm gonna have a virtual appointment where I'll make my bank account, but until then I'm gonna submit my English report, and then I'm probably gonna do some reviewing and catching up on lectures, and then start on my last assignment, which I'm excited about because, to be honest, this term has been tough. I don't think it's really the courses I'm taking, it's more of like my motivation, how I'm feeling while doing these courses. And if you don't know, if you're new to this channel, I'm in Sequence 4 in Computer Science at the University of Waterloo. And in Sequence 4 we have 3 consecutive school terms, which is pretty challenging, I'm not gonna lie. We're in the last month and I'm really trying to push through. It's been quite hard and burnout is real, but we're almost done, which I'm really excited about. I'm literally counting down the days until school is done and then I can enjoy my summer. Especially at Waterloo, it's really hard because you're either on co-op or on school, so there's really no summer, and seeing your friends, your high school friends, like enjoy their summers on their Instagram stories, which I really like seeing, but also it's like hard because I have to study and like I can't really enjoy my summer as much as I want to, but that's okay. School is tough, but school is going to pay off, hopefully. Let's cross our fingers. But yeah, so now I'm gonna do some reviewing, but before that I'm gonna submit my English report.
When you're feeling like giving up, when you're running low on love, I'll be the shoulder that you're leaning on. And when it feels different and things are missing and you're on your worst day, I don't want it any other which way. And when it gets rough, I promise I'll stay. Oh, my heart beats every time you look at me, even when it gets real bad. Never gonna turn my back, even if it takes some time. Never gonna leave you behind. Girl, you need to know life means sometimes that we fight.
Alright, so now it's almost 2 o'clock and I submitted my reflection for English. I finished that and submitted it, but now I'm going to do some reviewing for CS for around maybe 30 minutes. I'm also going to get some food. I have leftover Persian food, so I'm going to eat that for lunch, and then I'm going to do some more CS.
Even if it takes some time, never gonna leave you behind. Girl, you need to know it's life means sometimes that we fight. At least we're sitting side by side.
So, moment of truth. I'm actually kind of excited, but also nervous because I've never tried this recipe before. So, this is actually really, really good. I put half a cup of blueberries. I had one frozen banana, so I put that. I also had peaches, blackberry, and orange juice. So definitely recommend. This is definitely really good. Alright, so now it's 3:30 and I just got off the call with the bank associate to make my bank account, so that's all set up, and I sent my signed offer for my job for the fall, so it's really good. Now I'm gonna do CS, but for CS, if you've watched my previous videos, you know that I like to take notes on my iPad for my math and computer science courses, but this term actually for CS specifically, CS 246, I like to take notes on Notion. My roommate actually got me into it, so I've been using Notion to take my notes for that course, and it's been working really well. I really liked how this course is laid out. I like the text-based lectures a lot. It really has all the information I need, and it's really easy to go through. The examples are really good as well. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now and keep you guys updated. Alright, so now it's 6:30 and I spent 2 hours and a half, almost 3 hours on CS notes because the content was a bit tricky, so I had to watch extra videos to really understand it. But now I'm gonna cook dinner with my roommate. We got the bubble tea and we're going on our walk.
I never know, you never try. I hold your heart, you're breaking mine. I say I'll go, you say the night. I fall apart, you make it right. I know I'll wait for you.
So now it's what time is it? It's like
9:06.
9:06, and we still haven't made our dinner yet because the meat is still defrosting. But yeah, so we're gonna wait, and then what are we gonna make? What is it called?
Sloppy Joes.
Sloppy Joes. So we'll keep you all updated. Alright, so now it's almost 1 a.m. and the rest of the night my roommate and I, we just relaxed. She painted her nails, I just filed my nails. But since today was Friday, I didn't do much work. Instead, I did a lot of like relaxing and catching up on work because on Fridays I don't have anything due, which is really nice, so I can relax and just chill out. But tomorrow and Sunday are going to be pretty busy days because I didn't do much, or I didn't even start my assignment. But yeah, today wasn't very productive, but it was definitely a nice relaxing day to catch up on everything. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Instagram or comment them down below, and make sure to subscribe. But until next time, I'll see you all later. Bye everyone, good night.